Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending me their car air pump. Nothing really around the box to show you besides volt power and everything here. The battery capacity is 2,000 milliamp hours. There's the model number CZK-3679. So let's open it up. Ooh, a little smaller than I thought. So a full little instruction guide telling you how to use it. And then here's the actual air pump and a nice little velour sleeve. Look at that. Recommended tire pressure for car, motorbike tire, basketball, and bike tire. Battery capacity, voltage, manufacturer. So it's USB-C here, and this looks like another port. And look at that. Okay, and so you're able to just set what you want. So if you want 40 pounds of pressure, put your hose in here on the bottom, it starts pumping up your tire. Can't beat that. Nothing there. There we go. This should be everything else we'll need. Nothing else there. Yep. So there's what that port was, the power adapter for inside the car, if you need to use that. But it also has USB-C type, so you see it's working right now because it's on the battery. So that's really great. Having a Tesla, this is something perfect to have with your Tesla to pump up a tire. Now, of course, here's your little hose, which just goes right in here. So there we go. Our hose is in, and you know, that's for a normal valve, and they also do give you the USB-C cable, so that's pretty nice. And then in here you've got some extra little adapters in case you're blowing up something else. You can have a fuse, basketball, little extra pieces you might need. So definitely a pretty cool item. That'll do it for this car pump unboxing. You kind of heard how loud it was there. Like I said, you literally just select your PSI, hit power, and let this thing sit there and do its thing for you. Absolutely love these. 2 big thumbs up. So I'll do it for this unboxing video. Again, special thanks to this company for sending this my way, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.